Hey guys, welcome to Henry channel. In this video we have this iPhone 11 Pro Max and I'm going to show you how you can enter recovery mode in this phone. So first of all, you just have to power off the phone and then you need to hold the volume up and the side button together. Keep holding them and make sure that you have connected the lightning cable into your iPhone, and that's it. Now we are in recovery mode. So guys, this is how you can enter recovery mode in your iPhone 11 Pro Max. So now I'm going to show you how you can exit this. You again have to hold the side button and this time hold both of the volume keys together. Keep holding them for 5 seconds and your screen goes black. Then you have to leave all the keys and just leave your phone. It will be started automatically. So guys, that's all in this video. Make sure to subscribe the channel and leave a thumbs up. Bye for now. I'll see you in the next one.